இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் போஃப்டா ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் த மாஸ்டர்ஸ். ரெட்டை கிளி பட்டாசு போன் செய்தால் உங்கள் வீடு தேடி வரும் பட்டாசு. டெலிவரி ஆல் ஓவர் இன் தமிழ்நாடு. ஆன்லைனிலும் பே செய்யலாம்.
Oh yeah, it was too good. It was too good, and I'm sure you'll love it. Everybody would love it because the kind of fan base he has, um, they love him so much. And I guess they have started loving me as well because I get so many DMs of them saying that, oh, we want to see you and Ashwin together. Can you please post a picture? Can you please post? But right now I can't. But it's like the way they are expressing the love and everything towards me, it's immense. About the romantic scenes which we did, it's crazy. I've seen it and you'll love it. Everybody, I'm very sure, because the kind of fans Ashwin has, they would love to see him in that romantic dimension. Yeah, so it's nice. And uh, personally, I love it. That's the most favorite scene of mine. There's one scene which we can't reveal now, but that's the favorite scene of mine.
So how was he during the shooting time? How did you guys gel up?
It was nice. We didn't talk much, but I was very comfortable with him for each and every scene which we did. So he was nice. We didn't actually we didn't meet properly because we were so much in rush. When I was there, he was not there. He was there, I was not there. So we didn't get a chance to talk a lot except work. But then overall, I had a great experience working with him. He's very soft. He doesn't talk. I think he doesn't talk much. So that's his nature of not opening up to the person, maybe. But overall, I think I had a great time shooting the entire song with him, especially when
Uh,
expressing. He never let me um he never let me being uncomfortable with him. He used to, even if it was my close shot, he gave me the proper expression, so I could emote correctly. So it was a nice coordination between us.
and you're here for a Tamil album now. So how did you
Yeah.
get that offer?
Actually, I have done one film um, before this last year, and which will release this year only. And there is one DOP, Gautam George. He did the film. So he asked me, Harshada, would you be interested in doing it? This is a song. I'm still learning Tamil. I don't know Tamil, so I'm just um, trying to pick some words. I'm trying to understand it because it's a complete blank for me. I'm like a complete blank slate. So whatever comes to me, I keep in mind. So this song was tough for me because complete non-background, nothing of Tamil I know, but still I took it as a challenge that, like, yeah, Harshita, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. So I took it. I went on board with them. Everything was completely new, as I said, and they gave me the lyrics and the written lyrics also in Tanglish. So it took me a while on first day. So I was just going through the lyrics, the hard copy they had given me, and I couldn't understand anything. I couldn't completely, like, so many twists. Actually, Tamil is more of a tongue twister, so I couldn't understand. So next day I went to practice and learning. So they made sure that I learn it properly, and they made me ready in 3 hours. Just that's it, and I got shocked. Like, I did it. So next day on shoot, I don't think I took any longer for the shot. It was especially I was very quick in giving shots, just 1 or 2 takes max to max.
And who's a good dancer, you or Ashwin, according to you?
I'm a bit greedy in this, but I guess I am the one.
So did you guys like compete with each other while performing?
No. I don't think we had a competition because I think it was not like more of competition. It was more like of love, more like of looking into each other's eyes and expressing the love, and whatever was there was equal. Nothing was like we both are competing with each other. Nothing was like that. But I know I am dancing well. That I know. But I think on set, on screen, we were together. We were expressing love. We were showing it, and that's it.
So while working with Ashwin, Did any of his fans come to talk to him while you were shooting? Did you see the love in real?
Yeah, like I've seen a lot of people were coming around and taking pictures with him and pictures with me as well. Even if they don't know who I am completely, they were still like, okay, she looks decent and she is gelling up with people very well. And they feel the warmth of me. So they like, hi, we're just excited to see you. And it's really nice, doing it really well, you're expressing very cutely, so you're actually so attractive. So people who were on set, who they just like after the shot, they just came and complimented me, so that it gives me more of confidence of like, you're doing it great, you can do it great. Everybody after shot were clapping and smiling and like cheering up.
So how
So
was
it
it to
was
see people talking to Ashwin, showing their love to Ashwin?
that I didn't get it properly, but I noticed it, like people were just enjoying being around him.
And coming back to the song, it's a dance number and it's choreographed by dance choreographer Mr. Sridhar.
I think there were steps which were difficult, which but I made sure that I learn it, because I believe in taking challenges. So even if like it's a difficult step, I'll take time, but I'll learn it. So whatever he gave me, I learned it. It's not like I did this, no, I can't do this and that. I took it as a challenge again, and I said, okay, you can do this, then you can do this too. So I made sure that and he did it very beautifully. Whatever step he has created, it's super beautiful, super cute, and the way he asked me to express myself with my expressions and with my hands and this and that, you have to do this and that, and because that is what people would love. So I did it.
Your album Lamborghini has crossed 470 million views. So I think it's a great thing. Congratulations for that, actually.
That was my very first album. And honestly, I was not expecting this many views, because that was the song which I casually did it. Because so many projects were coming and this and that. So I thought, okay, fine, I'll just give it a try. And that was actually through Instagram. Someone just DM'd me, hey, are you free on these dates? So we are just doing this song. There's a new production coming up and they are doing this song. It's really nice. I said, okay, I can give it a try. Why not? So I did it. It went really well, and it's unbelievable the kind of response. The time when I did that song, people were loving me so much, and I got uh, such a warm welcome that I did expect. And it was crazy for like it didn't go viral when it released. It actually went viral when after a year of the release. So in 2018-19, it was released in 17, so 18-19 it was everywhere, in every single wedding or event or get-togethers, birthday parties, clubs, everywhere. So people used to like record and send it to me, Harshita, your song is playing here, your song is. And my friend used to tell me that, you know what, no one believes that she's my friend. I used to say them, hey, her song, this is my friend, this is my friend, but no one used to believe me. And I actually look totally different in the song. So whenever I used to walk, so no one used to recognize me by my name. Everyone used to tell me, "Oh, you're that Lamborghini girl." So I was like, "Yeah, I'm that girl."
And the Lamborghini girl is called as Harshada. Please remember her
Yeah,
name also.
yeah, yeah.
Like after the release of Yati, one thing you expecting from Tamil audience, so what would it be?
See, I'm very much greedy about love. I need a lot of love from the people, so that it could. Um, I want them wanting to me to be in the industry. So unless and until this releases, I would not understand how much they're loving me. And I think if they love me more, then I'll make sure that I stay with them, because they are so supportive about me. So definitely, this would keep me in the industry, and I'm sure they would do that, because I'm so keen to work in so many future projects which would be coming up for me.
Yes, it's gonna happen for sure. All the very best for that. So thank you so
Yeah.
much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் போஃப்டா ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் learn from the masters. ரெட்டை கிளி பட்டாசு போன் செய்தால் உங்கள் வீடு தேடி வரும் பட்டாசு டெலிவரி ஆல் ஓவர் இன் தமிழ்நாடு ஆன்லைனிலும் பே செய்யலாம்.